let's get started to the video today. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Anna or Ananda as my Thai name. And also in today's video, I will teach you guys about the Thai language. And today is mostly about the Thai dessert that you must try. I and Anchisa also have the special video about the Thai food from last week. To know what it's about, you can go back and watch it in our YouTube channel. I think we can start. I will start with the Thai dessert. So the Thai dessert are unique in Thai culture. It is unique in the ingredients and methods. As I'm the Southern, I'm not sure if other part of Thailand do this as well, but I normally eat the Thai dessert with coffee and tea in the morning as breakfast. And here is some phrases that you need to know when you want to ask for the dessert menu in Thai. You can say ขอดูเมนูขนมหวานได้ไหมคะ or ขอดูเมนูขนมหวานได้ไหมครับ So for the word ค่ะand ครับ I already talk about that in the very first video. If you want to learn more about that, don't forget to go back and watch it in our YouTube channel. And this sentence means, can I see the dessert menu please? And next one, if you want to order anything, even if it's food, dessert, or beverage, you can use this sentence. You can say ฉันขอ and then the name of the food or the dessert or beverage that you want ค่ะ or ฉันขอ name ครับ is mean can I have something please? And here is the list of the Thai dessert that we have choose for you guys. I will start with the very famous one, is the mango sticky rice. I think if you have been in Thailand before, you may know this one and you have tried already. And we call in Thai ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง is a dish made by two ingredients. The first one is of course mango slice and the second is sweet sticky rice. And normally we will eat with the coconut milk and we will put it on top, the mango sticky rice. And this one is also my favorite. And the next one, sweet egg yolk cups. We call it in Thai Thong Yip. Thong Yip. And the word Thong in Thai is mean gold. And Yip is mean like to grab something. I'm not sure exactly what the English word called for the word Yip. But this name come up by the way that we made this dessert. So normally you will put it in the small cup and then you will use your hand to like yip to make it to be a flower. And also this one is the traditional egg yolk based Thai dessert. Many Thai dessert is the egg yolk based. And this one we normally found in the celebration like wedding. So we eat it to in the tension of like we want a lucky, we want success, or we want wealth. But you also can find it in at the market as well. And the next one, refined bananas, or we call it กล้วยทอด กล้วยทอด So the word กล้วย is mean banana and ทอด is to deep fry. So this one is made of the three ingredients. And yes, of course, the first one is banana, second one is flour, and the last one is eggs. So we will cut the banana in the half, and then we will dip it in the flour. The flour with egg, I mean, it's mixed together already. and then we will deep fry it into the heat oil. And you also can find this one at the market. It's very good. You have to try it. And the next one is deep fried sweet flavor ball. We call it kài-dtào. Kài-dtào. Kai is mean egg and tao is total. So together is like total 8. But I'm not sure where this name is come up, but I think it's because of the shape of this dessert. It will be like round, and this might look like the total 8, I think. And this one is made from the sweet potato mixed together with flour, and also you can find it at the market. And the next one is the Thai coconut balls. We call it in Thai ขนมต้ม ขนมต้ม So ขนม is mean dessert or snack, and ต้ม is mean to boil. So that means that's kind of dessert. We will boil it in the hot water. And this one is a soft outer shell crust with coconut thread and a sweet flavor inside. And the sweet flavor inside, we got it from the coconut sugar. And the next one is mortar-toasted pastry. It is ขนมครก ขนมครก is the Thai traditional dessert. It's made of rice flour, tapioca flour, and the coconut milk. Normally you can eat them like with the plain one, or you also can add the topping. We normally add the sweet corn and taro root as topping. And the last one is the rice balls in sweet coconut milk, or buua-lɔɔi. Buua-lɔɔi. So this one is a sweet small dough balls with coconut milk, and sometimes people like to put and boil egg into it. And we will eat buua-lɔɔi when it's still warm. But this one I prefer not to put an egg into it. But you can try both to put an egg and don't put an egg. I think that is for today. And if you like any dessert in here or not in here, you can comment down. And also don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you want to learn more about Thai. And hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.